Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, the entree is gonna be chicken. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my chicken tonight. You know, chicken's one of those staple things that tastes like whatever you put on it. And this one's gonna be a real simple recipe. I'm gonna spray this 9x9 dish. I have 4 chicken thighs and they were cheaper at Food Line. $3.97 for 4, and that'll feed us one night. And I'm gonna leave the skin on this to cook it, and then when they eat it, they can choose whether they want to take the skin off or not. But I'm gonna leave it on. I think it gives it really good flavor with a dish like this. Excuse me, Cookie's in the kitchen with me. All right, let me give my hands a wash. Cook, cool it. What are you working at? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. She has this favorite ball that she loves to carry around in her mouth. Anyway, I'm gonna start with a little bit of bone-sucking sauce. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this or you've used it. If you have, comment underneath. I love this. It's great on chicken. It's great on pork. And actually, I think it'd be pretty good on beef. I always tell people if they'll just taste the rub and see if they like it, then they'll know what it tastes like. And this one has a lot of savory, a tiny bit of sweet, not a lot. But I'm just gonna sprinkle it over this chicken. And then I'm gonna use some Carolina Treet. This is a barbecue sauce. I found this at Food Line. I've seen this before at Walmart. It's called Carolina Treet. If you want this exact one, you know, you'll have to see if your supermarket carries it. But this has kind of a tangy sauce, and it's on the thinner side than like a real rich ketchup-y barbecue sauce like Sweet Baby Ray's, which I love Sweet Baby Ray's, but we've done that a lot lately. So I'm gonna go to the Carolina Treet, and I'm just gonna drizzle some Carolina Treet over these chicken thighs. And I'm gonna cook them in the oven on 375. And I'm gonna cook them uncovered, because I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water to this so it'll be moist. And I'll cook that probably about 30 to 35 minutes until done. And that's something you have to really, I'm just putting a little bit of water in the bottom of it. That's something you really have to see with your own eyes for what your oven does. But that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. A little bone-sucking sauce, Carolina Treet. This is really good on the grill too, by the way. I've had it on the grill, it's wonderful. And I'm gonna put this in my oven. We're gonna have some roasted asparagus and a baked potato and call it a night. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Give it a try. We'll see y'all. I'll post a picture when it's done of the plate.